Hey guys, it's back with episode 3, and today I think we're going to start off with these little ringy things. I don't know what they're called, so if you can, please tell me what they're called. And so there are these little ring thingies. Let me see how much I can put on one finger. Let's see if I can put all 5. I can put all 5. And it's Zoe and Mom think it's like a little massage for your finger. The second one is monkey noodles, tiny ones. First up is the green. I just like to do this with them. Now pink. I wish I had a textured monkey noodle. And for last, my favorite color of the monkey noodles, blue. And also, it's my favorite color. Guys, isn't that weird that my favorite color is blue and my eyes are blue? And also, something else happened to me that made me blue. Sorry for that, guys. We just thought about a video idea. So, blue. And the third and last thing is fine. My sister wants these, but they're gonna be the longest ones.
Just show them quickly.
Purple. Me. Cat. Meow. Whatever this thing is.
Bug thingy bobber.
Oh, low cute bunny or rabbit. Little bluebird. Unicorn. Squirrel. And the little teal, whatever, I don't care.
Bear.
Little turtle. Seal. Look at its tummy. Crocodile. And last but not the least, bird. Peck, 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 peck. And that is all we're going to do for episode 4.
4 or 3. I don't remember. I think it was 4.
No.
I think it was 4 or 3. Who knows? So, yeah.
Yeah, it's 3.
Okay, it's 3. 3. Sorry, 3.
Didn't we do the rings and
Yeah.
the noodles today? Yeah.
Already.
And always the end. See you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.